So hello guys, welcome once again to this channel, and I hope you are doing great. Um, I wanna do first of all, I wanna correct some mistakes that I made um on Thursday. Um, this is because I said there was CPI, there was PPI on Thursday, and it was supposed to be on Friday. On Thursday, was an unemployment claims. So we might quickly go through what happened on Friday. There was a very huge correction after I had that was after Thursday's correction. We all know that from Monday here, um, price rallied up. From Monday, this is Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday. From here, price rallied up, and this was the correction on Thursday and on Friday. Kind of huge and aggressive. You can all see that it's coming to my discount array, which is a 1 day buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. All these PD arrays are always retested, so never make a mistake of not pointing them out later, um, after price has printed way ahead of time. Um, so I want to quickly go through um, backtesting. I want to tape read price from guys. It's always good to backtest, and it's always good to realize that the only way to get better is through backtesting. Um, and that's how you get to realize whether you understood the concept or you did not. You are not supposed to be hard on yourself, so um, just learn what you're supposed to learn, and everything else will follow. Yes. So the backtesting will begin on from 4th January to 9th January. That is this year 2026, and also we go through what happened in between 11th to 16th January. I'm going to do it in clips form, um, and it's going to be each almost 20 minutes, so you will have to bear with me and sit through if you want to learn something. Again, I am still thinking, and I'm still putting the idea that I said I was gonna start a mentorship for my brother and anyone else who out there who feels like they should learn more from me, and it's already in my plans. So I will execute that as soon as everything has fallen into place. So you can see that this is the daily time frame, and what I am using here is this imbalance, which is a sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency, which is later used as an IFVG. This it's in color brown. Um, you can see it. Let me change the cursor. Yes, now it's good. So this one here. Um, I will also use other PD arrays, but most of the PD arrays that I am going to use are from the 1 hour time frame. That is the 60 minutes time frame. So you can see how price printed through those days. Of course, it's on a weekend, and the market is not moving. all my back testing is always down weekend when price is not moving. Yes, 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 yes. Um, See how that candle closed? Hammered on top of um, the consequent encroachment of this IFVG. We have this buy side liquidity, and that's the only thing I can see on this higher time frame. You can see that the good thing about backtesting is that you are able to see what price did, so you don't really have to put in a lot of energy and decide where price is gonna go. So again, you can see, so price printed all the way up, hitting that buy side liquidity. Remember what I said, that what is liquidity? Liquidity is the ability of an asset to be converted into cash, and that's where retail traders put their stops, and that's where the algorithm will automatically go and convert that asset into cash. And it's because most of the traders trade supply and demand, they're going to face this problem where they are always they are always using liquidity as support level, and I don't do that. Price doesn't necessarily have to um, use the high or low as a support or resistance level. It can penetrate through it, and if you're gonna use it as a resistance level, like for example here, it's going to literally like bring you down. So it's always good to understand what the algorithm is doing rather than doing your own things, and that's what I kind of calmed down and started to work on. Yes, just a bit. My laptop is going off. I have to plug it in. Um, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Let me work on the lights first of all, and charge my laptop first, and we're going to continue there. Thank you.